Septic Renew specializes in repairing failing septic fields or septic mounds without digging them up. Throughout Alberta, whether you're in Foothills or Rocky View counties, Sturgeon or Strathcona counties, we can help you with your failing system without replacing the whole system and digging up your backyard. The average natural lifespan of a septic field in Canada is around 15 to 20 years. More than 80% of drain fields are fully repairable, saving the field without any system replacement or heavy construction and saving you thousands of dollars. If you're experiencing foul odors, wet, soft, or swampy ground around your septic field or even effluent surfacing, we can help you get your septic field to work on healing itself and working like new. We have worked with people like you throughout Alberta and can save you thousands of dollars to get your septic system to work as it should. Contact us today for a free evaluation and quote.